In this video, I'm going to show you how to unapprove time in QuickBooks Time. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the left here and click on Approvals. Inside Approvals, you want to run your report, so I'm just going to go for this week over here and click on Run Report. Of course, you can select which week you want to run for and, of course, all the settings as well. And I'm just going to approve some, so let's pretend I have approved some of these. And to actually unapprove time, what you want to do is go to the Approved tab over here, or, of course, find it inside All over here, and from the approve you want to click on unapprove, and that's how you basically do this. Okay, so you can also, if you have all the approved selected, like if I for example approve a few of these over here, I can then go to unapproved over here, or approved of course, and I can select all approved, and then I can basically approve them. Okay, so that's essentially how to unapprove time in QuickBooks Time. It's the same way if you actually are approving, just that you have to click this button which says unapprove instead of approve. Otherwise it's the same. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.